Moms truly define multitasking, but as a consequence, their wardrobes take a backseat. These 5 tips will refresh your mom's closet in no time. Moms tend to shop a size up to stay safe and hide any parts of the body they feel are unfit. However, in an attempt to hide any bumps, they tend to hide their best assets as well. So the smarter thing to do is have them buy clothes that balance their outfit's proportion as per their body shape, like a wrap style top and other silhouettes that accentuate the waist. Undeniably, with a changing body, everyone's best assets are most likely to change as well. But your shoulders and legs are the slowest to age, which means a cold shoulder top or a knee-length dress can go a long way in one's wardrobe. While we can't have our moms give up their beloved pieces, making small updates to their wardrobe can make a big difference. Like switching to easy palazzos instead of a salwar with her favorite kurti. We've seen our moms trying to squeeze all their ethnic jewelry into a single look. A simple change like going for only 1 or 2 pieces could make her look fresher instantly. As our bodies mature, an outfit's fit can make or break your look, like a dress that fits right at the waist without being body-hugging. This can make all the difference and can take your mom's look from frumpy to fab. Now what are you waiting for? Go give your mom's wardrobe a much-deserved makeover. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.